All right, guys, so today we are going to be taking a look at another Andar Aspen for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, if you've seen any of my Andar videos before, you guys have seen all of these cases. Andar has a ton of colors of these full grain Aspen cases. They're all super high quality leather, great buttons, great camera rings. The leather feels really nice. It patinas well. As you see, my Technically Red is starting to patina pretty nicely. And all around, they're amazing leather cases. Well, today we're looking at one that's also the Aspen, but it's a little bit different. And this is the Togo leather version. Now, before we get into the case, let's take a look at the box, then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Now, the price on this one is $55, and links will be down in the description below to this case, as well as my discount code, which I'll also leave towards the end of this video. Make sure you guys use that code to save yourself 15% off. It's down in the description. So anyways, taking a look, you just get a little bit more information here about the Aspen, and it does say iPhone 15 Pro Max in Togo, in the Lagoon Togo color, I should say. So enough talking about the box, let's go ahead and get this case out. Now, first thing you get is this thank you card from Andar. That's always nice to see. And here is our case, and very nice packaging as per usual from Andar, similar packaging to the regular Aspen. So, starting off with the Blue Lagoon, with the Lagoon Blue, I keep saying Blue Lagoon, it's Lagoon Blue, the Lagoon Blue Togo case. So, first thing you see is this Togo leather pattern. Now, this is still a full grain leather case. It's 100% full grain leather, very nice quality, but the good thing about Togo leather is it's a little bit more durable than regular leather, and it's just got that little design pattern that goes all the way around, but that is that natural design. That is how kind of Togo leather comes. On the corners, it is where it's kind of stretched around to the case, so your corners are not going to have as much of that pattern right there. If you see going around all four corners, it's not there too much, and it's kind of visible right here as well, but that's not to worry. That's not a messed up case. That's just how it looks when they, stretch it around the case to make that mold of the iPhone case. So don't worry too much about that. But continuing on, here you do have your nice metal camera ring. And I really like this black on blue color here. They do also come in a black color, which I will show you guys a little bit shortly. But it's very nice touch that this blue has this nice black camera ring. I like that. And they do that with their other cases as well. So it is on par with the rest of the Aspens. And going along to the inside, you do have this very nice microfiber material here, your MagSafe magnet as well as the alignment magnet. And it does say Andar full grain leather. Now that Togo leather does go all the way around the inside of the case, and your buttons have that same microfiber material that goes on the back of here. That's what's protecting your metal buttons as well, so you definitely don't have to worry about this scratching up your buttons on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and bring over our caliper and our scale. This is the scale. We'll bring the scale over first, and let's see the weight and compare it to the other Aspens. Let's see if any of them have a weight difference. Now, I'm going to use the orange to compare with the blue for the rest of the video. I just think these colors look so good together. But anyway, setting that down, we are looking at 37 grams, 38 grams on here. And on the regular Aspen, we are looking at also 38 grams. So they are going to be the exact same weight. Now, as far as the size, let's go ahead and bring over our caliper now. This is the caliper. We'll go from front to back. Here we are looking at 11.6 millimeters. Now with the regular Aspen, 11.6 millimeters as well. And then going from front to back on the regular Aspen, we're looking at 1.7 millimeters. And on the Togo leather, we are looking at the same 1.7. So these are the exact same case. It is just that this has the Togo leather and this has the regular full grain leather that comes on here. I should say both of these are full grain. This just has the regular leather. This is the Togo. So let's go ahead and bring our 15 Pro Max over here. We do have the black titanium version, and let's listen out for that click. Pretty decent click onto the case. Definitely a nice click on there, so you don't have to worry about this coming off if you drop it or anything like that. And speaking of, let's see those corners. One, nice click. Two, oh, that one was great. That's because it has that metal camera ring right there. 3 and 4. Nice click on every single corner, so it's on there securely. Very nice fit. It doesn't move around in the case at all. So super good fit as per usual. The Aspen always fits really well. This is absolutely no different. And taking a look at those sides, stiff as a board, very nice sides right there. So you definitely don't have to worry about stuff getting in between or it being loose, anything like that. You are good to go. The buttons have a little bit of give to them, as per usual with any other case. Don't even worry about that. Bottom is nice and stiff, top is nice and stiff. All around, very good, very stiff fit onto the case. Pause. Keep paying attention to the phone case, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the sides of this thing. So, starting off with the top, it is completely closed in. On the left-hand side, you do have your action button, volume up and down, and the rest of the case is closed in. So, let's listen to how those buttons sound, and of course, they are those nice metal clicky buttons, so we should have a very nice click to them. Super nice click, as per usual with the Aspen. It does have the same exact style of buttons on here. Both are metal, both camera rings are metal. Excellent buttons as per usual on the Aspen. Now moving along to the bottom, you do have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a nice USB-C port, which is pretty open. Now let's bring over our anchor cable, just see how open that actually is. There we go, we're charging. And you do have a pretty decent sized USB Type-C port, so most of your thicker head cables should fit in there, really with no issues at all. And then moving along to the right-hand side, you do get a little bit of that Andar branding right there, and the rest of it is closed in with that power button right there. So let's take a look now. Let me give the screen a little wipe down, the camera a little wipe down, because you guys like to judge me about how my screen and my camera looks. So let's go ahead and take a look at that screen protection. Now I am using a tempered glass full coverage screen protector, and yeah, you're getting that pretty decent lip from Andar on the Aspen here, so you can set this down on pretty much most surfaces and you will be good to go. You shouldn't have to worry about anything scratching your screen. I would still be careful because this is a full grain leather case. It's not really meant for that protection, but it is going to give you enough to where you can set your phone down and be good to go. And then looking at that camera bump, we do have a nice proper camera lip right there. So you can also set this down on its back on pretty much any surface and be good to go. But don't forget that leather is there. It's going to get some scratching. It's going to get some scuffs, some nicks, some dings. But that's kind of how full grain leather is, guys. That's the beauty of a leather case, is it grows with you. Every leather case looks different after a while. You never know what scratches you're going to get or how it's going to look. Like I said, my technically red Aspen is already starting to get a pretty decent patina. It's got a little bit of scratching on it, things like that, but it is looking good. And that's how all of your other leather cases will be, and the Togo is no different. So definitely just be aware of that, but I like that on the leather case. I really enjoy seeing that patina and the little scratches and things. It really gives the case some character. So let's go ahead and move over to our MagSafe test. And if this is like any of the other Aspens, the MagSafe is pretty good on this case. And of course, you don't have to worry about your MagSafe wallet slipping. So it is leather and fine woven MagSafe wallet approved. Absolutely no give really whatsoever with the leather wallet. And then let's go ahead and bring over our Apple MagSafe battery pack, put that on. There's our animation. And as per usual, sit here, shake. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you don't want to shake it as hard as you can. That literally just flew across my desk and hit my light right over there. But anyways, you definitely don't want to shake any accessory terribly too hard. I did give it a really forceful shake, but you definitely don't have to worry about that. Your Apple MagSafe wallet and your Apple MagSafe battery pack will be on here with no issues. Nobody's sitting here and shaking this with their full strength. I just do that for you guys for the video, but definitely don't worry about that. You will be good to go. And then moving along to our Anchor 623, we can go ahead and put this on here, and it is picking it up with no issues. So you definitely have a really good MagSafe magnet on here. You do have to shake your wrist a little bit for that to come off. And let me know, by the way, guys, what you think about the testing with the Anchor 623. Do you guys want me to get a heavier base for the MagSafe test, or do you like the weight of this one? I've shown it off the weight of it before. It's got some weight, but it's nothing like extremely heavy. Let me know if you guys want me to get something heavier for the videos to test the MagSafe on. But anyways, like I said, Good magnets on here, no issues. You can go ahead and sit here and type your text, your emails, swipe through Twitter, through TikTok, Instagram, which, by the way, make sure you guys follow me on my socials. They are down in the description below. But you have absolutely no issues clicking this around anywhere. Then you want to move over to landscape mode, go on YouTube, watch your favorite Brian's Tech video. You can sit here, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, tap around wherever you want, and you're good to go. So definitely no issues with the MagSafe. I did launch that MagSafe battery pack. I'm a little afraid to see what's going on over there under my table where it landed, but we'll deal with that after the video. But anyways, all in all, an excellent, excellent case with the Togo. Andar killed it again. As always, they really do an amazing job with their leather cases, especially with all these awesome colors. I don't even have all of the colors, but with the ones that I do have, you got the red, the turquoise, which is awesome. That solar orange, I absolutely love. Of course, you do get black. And this Togo, this Blue Lagoon Togo, Lagoon Blue Togo, absolutely looks beautiful with the rest of these cases, and by itself, look great. So I definitely highly recommend the Aspen. As always, I always have, and nothing is different about that this time around. So it's going to come in that Lagoon Blue color, and it's also going to come in a black color. So 2 color options. It is only for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, whereas the other regular Aspens are for a whole bunch of other different iPhones, and now also for Samsungs as well, which is awesome. I love that Andar did that for Samsung devices so they can get those great leather cases as well. But all in all, like I said, $55 on this one. Make sure you guys use the code Brian15, which I'll leave right here. Save yourself 15% off of the price of this case. Links are down in the description, like I said. Let me know what you guys think about the Togo Leather Aspen. I've really been enjoying using this for the last few days, and it's definitely going to stay in my rotation. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing my original full review for the Andar Aspen, I'll leave that right there. If you want to see me take the Aspen and the Bullstrap head to head, that video is right there.